This is a new series I'm working on, and these are pieces of glass that I've fired twice in the kiln. What I'll do is I will initially do a flat arrangement of glass. This one in particular was clear glass with white glass, with blue, black, yellow, a bunch of them. Heated it up to a high temperature and fused all of these pieces together flat. And when that was done, then I take this piece and I build I'm going to call it like a nest out of thick fiber blanket, and place the glass on top of it, refire it again, and the result on the back is all of these melted grooves and angles and different shapes, and it's highlighting the colors of the glass on the front. Pretty cool. Like I love doing it too. It's so much fun because you never know exactly what it's going to look like when you take it out of the kiln. And the final step for me is mounting it in a glass frame like this. And it's absolutely beautiful on a wall and gorgeous in a window because the sun will pick up the colors and play with the light again. This one in particular, actually let me do this one. This one's awesome. This was done the same way, and a flat piece of glass starting with a clear base, adding purples and ambers and so on to it. When the glass is extremely hot, when it's fluid in the kiln, you wearing glasses and a mask and everything, if you have it, and gloves, you rake the actual glass so these pieces get stretched when they're melted, and then close the glass down and it will finish the firing cycle, and the end result is just so cool. That's the beauty of glass. You know, you can take something that is a solid form that's really quite static and melt it in the kiln, and it all of a sudden there's movement and motion and life to it, particularly when the sun is involved.